Welcome to our video on unlocking the potential of AI in healthcare. Today, we'll explore how artificial intelligence is revolutionizing patient care, improving operational efficiencies, and fostering medical research and innovation. First, let's look at diagnostics and imaging. AI algorithms, especially those using deep learning, are enhancing the accuracy and speed of medical diagnostics. AI also excels in predictive analytics and personalized medicine. By analyzing vast amounts of patient data, AI can predict disease outbreaks and individual responses to treatments. Imagine a world where your treatment plan is uniquely tailored to your genetic makeup and health history, improving outcomes and minimizing side effects. The drug discovery process is another area transformed by AI. Machine learning models can identify potential drug candidates and predict their success rates, drastically reducing the time and cost involved in bringing new drugs to market. AI analyzes biological data to uncover new drug interactions and even repurpose existing drugs for new treatments. Robotic systems powered by AI are enhancing surgical precision and enabling minimally invasive procedures. Robots assist surgeons with complex tasks, provide real-time data, and reduce recovery times for patients. AI-driven virtual health assistants provide patients with 24/7 access to medical information and support. In telemedicine, AI facilitates remote consultations and continuous monitoring, making healthcare more accessible, especially in underserved areas. AI optimizes clinical trials by identifying suitable candidates and predicting outcomes, accelerating the research process, and bringing new treatments to market faster. By analyzing patient data and past trial results, AI ensures that trials are more efficient and effective. AI enhances operational efficiency in healthcare by optimizing resource allocation, predicting patient admissions, and managing supply chains. Hospitals and clinics can streamline operations, reduce waste and cut costs, leading to more sustainable healthcare systems. While the potential of AI in healthcare is immense, it also comes with challenges. Ensuring data privacy and security, addressing ethical concerns, and maintaining transparency in AI decision-making are crucial. There is a need for regulatory frameworks to guide the development and deployment of AI technologies in healthcare. The idea that AI will completely take over from doctors is a common concern, but it's unlikely to happen in the foreseeable future. Instead, AI is expected to augment the capabilities of healthcare professionals rather than replace them. Here are several reasons and scenarios illustrating how AI will work alongside doctors. 1. Enhancing diagnostic accuracy scenario. AI algorithms analyze medical images and flag potential issues like tumors or fractures. A radiologist then reviews the flagged areas, combining AI's efficiency with human expertise for a more accurate diagnosis. Reasoning. AI can process vast amounts of data quickly and recognize patterns that might be missed by the human eye, but it still relies on the nuanced judgment and contextual understanding of trained doctors. 1. Personalized treatment plans. Scenario: AI systems analyze a patient's genetic data, lifestyle, and medical history to suggest personalized treatment plans. Doctors review these suggestions and make the final decisions, considering patient preferences and other factors. Reasoning. Personalized medicine requires a holistic approach that integrates AI's analytical power with the empathetic and ethical considerations that doctors provide. 1. Streamlining administrative tasks. Scenario: AI-powered systems handle scheduling, billing, and managing patient records, freeing up doctors to spend more time on patient care. Reasoning. While AI can greatly improve efficiency in administrative tasks, the core of patient care involves human interaction and empathy, which AI cannot replicate. 1. Assisting in surgeries. Scenario: robotic surgical systems guided by AI Assist surgeons by performing precise movements during operations. The surgeon controls the robot and makes critical decisions during the procedure. Reasoning. Robots can enhance precision and reduce recovery times, but complex surgeries require the expertise and adaptability of a human surgeon. 1. Continuous learning and improvement. Scenario AI systems analyze the latest medical research and provide doctors with up-to-date information on best practices and new treatments. Reasoning. Medicine is constantly evolving, and AI can help doctors stay informed, but the interpretation and application of new knowledge require human insight and experience. Challenges and ethical considerations. Human judgment and empathy. Medical practice involves not just diagnosing and treating diseases, but also understanding patients' needs, fears, and preferences. Empathy and ethical decision-making are inherently human qualities that AI lacks. Accountability and trust. Patients often need to trust their healthcare providers. Building a trusting relationship with an AI system is challenging compared to human doctors' complex cases. Many medical cases involve complex, multifaceted issues that require a comprehensive and adaptable approach, something that current AI systems are not fully equipped to handle. Conclusion: AI will not replace doctors, but will become an invaluable tool that enhances their abilities. By handling routine tasks, providing advanced diagnostic tools, and suggesting treatment options, AI allows doctors to focus more on patient care and make more informed decisions. AI will not replace doctors, but will become an invaluable tool that enhances their abilities. By handling routine tasks, providing advanced diagnostic tools, and suggesting treatment options, AI allows doctors to focus more on patient care and make more informed decisions. The future of healthcare lies in the collaboration between AI and human doctors, leading to improved outcomes and more efficient healthcare delivery. Like, share, and comment to let us know your thoughts on AI in healthcare. Subscribe for more insights on the future of healthcare.